Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to Confident English Podcast, the place where your English grows every single day with no stress and no boring grammar rules. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Sophie. It is so amazing to be here with you again today. I cannot wait for this one.
Oh, Alex, today's topic is so good. You are going to love this one. Stay with us.
So, Sophie, can I tell you something a little embarrassing?
Oh, yes, please.
This morning, I was walking to the kitchen. I was talking to myself in English, out loud, like a crazy person.
That is actually amazing, Alex.
My roommate looked at me, very confused.
What were you saying?
I was copying a video I watched. The man in the video was saying, "I really believe in you," and I was just repeating it again and again.
Alex, that is exactly what today's lesson is about.
Wait, really?
Yes, you were doing it naturally. You were shadowing.
Shadowing? What does that mean?
Today, we are talking about the shadowing technique. It is a very powerful method for learning to speak English with confidence.
Oh, I love that word, confidence.
Many people feel afraid to speak English. They know the words, but they feel nervous.
Yes, that is me. That is exactly me.
The shadowing technique can really help with that, and it is actually fun.
Okay, I am very excited. Let's go.
So, Alex, let me ask you a question. When you hear a song in English, what do?
Oh, I repeat the words. I sing along, you know?
Exactly. You just described shadowing. You hear something and you copy it immediately.
Oh, wow. So I already do this.
You do. Now, the phrase is copy what you hear. Let's say it together.
Copy what you hear.
Good. In shadowing, you copy the sounds, the rhythm, and the speed of the speaker.
The rhythm, so it's like music.
Exactly like music. And here's a key phrase, speak at the same time. When you shadow, you try to speak at the same time as the speaker.
Speak at the same time. That sounds very hard.
It feels hard at first, but here's the thing. You do not need to understand every word. You just need to follow the sounds.
Just follow the sounds. Okay.
And here's another great phrase, train your mouth. When you shadow, you train your mouth to make English sounds.
Train your mouth, like exercise for your mouth.
Yes, your mouth is a muscle, and like any muscle, you need to practice.
So shadowing is like going to the gym, but for speaking.
Yes, I love that. Exactly. And when you do it often, you start to feel more comfortable. You build confidence.
Build confidence. I want to build confidence.
And the beautiful thing is you can use any video, a movie, a podcast, a YouTube video, it doesn't matter.
Oh, so I can shadow my favorite English YouTubers?
Yes, anyone you want. And when you find a speaker you like, it helps to choose a short clip. Just 30 seconds is enough.
Just 30 seconds?
30 seconds is perfect. You repeat it many times. That's better than shadowing for 10 minutes once.
So the secret is short clips many times.
Exactly. And here's one more phrase. Don't worry about mistakes. When you shadow, mistakes are okay. The goal is movement. The goal is sound.
Don't worry about mistakes. Sophie, that is so hard for me to do.
I know, but we are going to practice right now. And actually, I have a little challenge for us.
Oh, yes, let's do it.
Now that we know these phrases, let's try using them. I have a fun little role play for us. Okay, here's the situation. Alex, you just started learning English. You are feeling very nervous about speaking, and you call your English teacher, that's me, for advice.
Okay, I am nervous Alex. Ready.
Hello, this is Sophie's English School. How can I help you?
Hello, Sophie. I want to speak English, but I feel scared.
Oh, I understand completely. Many people feel that way. But I have a great method for you. Have you heard of shadowing?
Shadowing? No. What is that?
It's a technique where you copy what you hear. You find a short video, just 30 seconds, and you speak at the same time as the speaker.
Oh, I speak at the same time, like an echo.
Yes, exactly like an echo. You train your mouth to make the sounds, and slowly you build confidence.
But Sophie, I make many mistakes. My accent is very bad.
Alex, don't worry about mistakes. Really, mistakes are part of the process. The goal is to move, to sound, to try.
Okay, so I just choose a short clip and copy what I hear.
Yes, 30 seconds, repeat it 5 times, then try the next day again.
That sounds actually possible.
And here's a little tip. Choose a speaker you like, someone with a clear voice, someone you enjoy listening to.
Oh, can I choose a character from a TV show?
Yes, great idea. That's a wonderful way to use any video, even cartoons.
Wait, I can shadow cartoons?
Of course, some of the best English learners I know shadowed cartoons for years.
Okay, I am going to shadow my favorite cartoon right now.
Which one?
Maybe SpongeBob.
Perfect. SpongeBob has a very clear voice. Very good choice.
I am going to train my mouth with SpongeBob. That's my new sentence.
And you'll build confidence with SpongeBob.
That was so much fun. I really feel like I could use these phrases in real life right now.
Hey friends, if you are enjoying this conversation and learning something new today, please take 2 seconds to like this video. It really helps us reach more people.
And if you are still here, comment the word shadow in the comments right now. We want to see who is with us.
We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy. Okay, let's keep going.
Sophie, can I tell you a story about the first time I tried shadowing?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, so about 2 years ago, I decided to try shadowing. I found a short clip, a man giving a speech, very confident, very clear.
Good start.
I went to my bedroom, I closed the door, I pressed play, and I started to copy what I heard at the same time, like you said.
Perfect. So what happened?
Well, the man in the video, he was very energetic, very dramatic, big voice, big emotions.
Oh, no.
And I was copying him, exactly. I believe in this country, very loud.
Oh, how loud?
My neighbor knocked on my wall. She thought something was wrong.
Oh, Alex.
And here's the best part. I opened my door to check, and my cat was sitting there, just looking at me, very disappointed.
Oh, even your cat was confused.
But here's the thing, Sophie, and this is the important part. After 20 minutes, I felt something different.
What did you feel?
I felt comfortable. The words were coming faster. My mouth knew what to do. I started to build confidence without even thinking about it.
That is exactly it, Alex. That is the magic of shadowing. You don't think, you just follow the sounds.
And do you know what? The next day, I spoke to a person in English at a cafe, and I remembered that feeling, that comfortable feeling, and I was not scared.
Because you trained your mouth, because you practiced. That is the shadowing technique working perfectly.
So yes, maybe shadow someone a little less dramatic than me, but it really, truly works.
Oh, that is the best advice in this whole episode, actually. Okay, friends, let's talk about some mistakes, common mistakes that people make when they try shadowing.
Oh, I probably made all of them.
Okay, first mistake. Many people say, I shadow 1 hour every day. But in English learning, we say short and often is better than long and rare.
Short and often. So 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Exactly, much better. Second mistake, many people try to shadow a very long video, but we say choose a short clip. 30 seconds is perfect.
And here's one I did. I tried to understand every single word.
Yes, that is a big one. When you shadow, don't stop to translate, just follow the sounds. Don't worry about mistakes.
Just follow. Just copy what you hear.
And the last mistake, people give up after one day. They say it is too hard, but the rule is try for 7 days first.
7 days. Just 7 days. Then decide.
If you do it for 7 days, you will feel the difference, I promise.
Sophie, I have a question. Can I shadow a British accent, or is American English better for shadowing?
Great question. The answer is shadow the accent you want to use. If you want to sound British, shadow British speakers. If you prefer American, choose American speakers.
Any accent works?
Any accent. The important thing is consistency. Stick to one accent at first.
Stick to one accent. Okay.
And here's an advanced idea. When you are very comfortable with shadowing, you can try shadowing without the audio.
Without the audio, what does that mean?
You know the clip by heart. You turn off the audio and you speak alone, but with the same rhythm and speed as the original speaker.
Oh, that is like you are the speaker now.
Exactly. It's called invisible shadowing. Very advanced, very powerful. You speak at the same time, but with no help.
Invisible shadowing. That's like a superpower.
Oh, it really is. Think of it this way. When you learn to ride a bicycle, first someone holds the bicycle for you. Then, one day, they let go and you ride alone. Invisible shadowing is that moment.
Oh, I love that. I want to ride the bicycle.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick recap of today's lesson. Alex, help me.
Yes, let's go.
First, we talked about how to copy what you hear. That is the foundation of shadowing.
Copy what you hear. Got it.
Second, we said speak at the same time as the speaker, like an echo.
Speak at the same time. I like the echo idea.
Third, we said train your mouth. Shadowing is exercise for your speaking muscles.
Train your mouth. Use it every day.
Fourth, choose a short clip, 30 seconds. Repeat many times.
Short and often, not long and rare.
Fifth, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going.
Sixth, build confidence. With every repetition, you get stronger and more comfortable.
Build confidence one shadow at a time.
And finally, use any video, a movie, a podcast, a cartoon, anything you enjoy.
Even SpongeBob.
Oh, especially SpongeBob. Okay, here's your bonus tip for today. Tonight, find just one video in English, just 30 seconds long. Press play and copy what you hear. Don't think, just follow.
Just 30 seconds. You can do that, right, friends?
Of course you can. And tomorrow, notice how your mouth feels different. That is your progress.
You've got this. We believe in you.
Friends, that's all for today's episode of Confident English Podcast. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
If this episode helped you, please like this video. It means so much to us. And subscribe if you haven't already. Every new subscriber helps this little podcast grow.
And share this episode with a friend who's learning English, maybe someone who's afraid to speak. This could be exactly what they need.
We love being part of your English journey. Really, it's the best part of what we do.
Keep shadowing, keep practicing, and remember, every word you say is a step forward.
Goodbye, everyone.
Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.